Chloe.
Hi, Daddy.
Welcome to another episode of...
Cookin with Chloe!
Yeah, what are we making today? Some what?
Some fish.
Some fish. What kind of fish is this?
Some striped fish.
It's a striped fish. This is a striped bass. Some good friends of ours went out fishing today. They caught a bunch of fish and they gave us one. Thank you. What else are we going to need for our dish today?
And some...
That's a jalapeno pepper.
And some jalapeno pepper. And some garlic. And some ginger. And some green onion. And some sugar. And some dark soy. And some light soy. And some Chinese cooking lights. And some Chinese vinegar.
Yeah, the name of this dish is sweet and sour fish. The sweetness comes from our sugar,
And inside, okay?
and the sourness comes from our vinegar. So, okay, so, well, I'm gonna keep rolling. I'm just gonna keep going because, you know, you gotta get it done. And this is a great dish. You can use a lot of different kinds of fish, but since we were gifted a fish today, we're gonna use this one. And all these ingredients you can find in the description below. But
Wanna watch? Wanna watch?
are you ready to get started?
Yeah! Becky. And inside is so gross.
Inside is so gross. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean the fish. And inside is kind of gross.
We need to clean inside, right?
Uh-huh. Whoa.
Wait, what?
Do you want to do it?
No.
So who's gonna clean the inside of the fish?
Yeah.
You ready to get started?
Once your fish is clean, make 4 to 5 cuts on each side for the flavor to enter. Cut your pepper, ginger, garlic, and green onion and put them to the side. Heat oil in the pan. Once it's hot, put the fish in the pan. Cover and let it fry. After several minutes, use a spatula to flip the fish. Flip the fish. Add your cooking wine and soy sauces, sugar, vinegar, and all your fresh seasoning. Add several cups of water. Bring to a boil, then let it simmer. Daddy, where do fish keep the money?
I don't know. Where?
And the riverbank. Whip your fish. Pour sauce over the fish, occasionally. What did the fish say when he hit the wall?
I don't know. What?
Damn! Reduce the sauce. It's ready.
Hey, Chloe.
Hi, Daddy.
It's ready.
I know.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Can I have 3 fishies?
You want 3 fishies? We only have 1 fishy. You want 3 pieces?
3, yes.
Grab 1, 2, 3.
I love these.
Be careful for bones.
What's the bone? What the bones look like? Is it small
You
one?
just have to, you don't know until you try. How is it?
Good.
Is it good? Let me try. That's some good fish.
What?
I said that's some good fish.
Yeah, they are. Good. Here's your peanut.
No, that's a green onion. Well, do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.
So this is a sweet and sour fish. You can make lots of different fishes with. You can use this style to make lots of different fishes. Fishes. You can use a variety of fish to make this fish dish. This is an excellent dish. You ready to get started?
Look all the bugs in the compost.
Look at all the bugs in the compost.
They are eating all these compost waste.
They are. We do have to empty our compost.
We do.
Well, I do.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit gross.
It's gonna be a little gross for you.
Let's go have a cooking show.
Well, we're in the middle of the cooking show, Chloe. You brought up the compost. So I either have to talk about the compost or start again. Do you want to start again?
No.
Okay. So we compost. So our compost container is a little full, and there's some fruit flies in the compost. But
Yeah.
yeah, I'm not going to use this. Ready to get started?